Hello, travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an adventure through the heartland of America, beautiful Iowa. From charming small towns to vibrant cities, rolling landscapes to cultural gems, Iowa offers a diverse array of experiences. Join us as we dive into Iowa Excursions, exploring the heartland. Let's get started. 1. Des Moines, the vibrant capital. Our journey begins in Des Moines, the bustling capital of Iowa, known for its rich history, vibrant art scene, and family-friendly attractions. Start your day at the Iowa State Capitol, an architectural marvel with its stunning golden dome. Take a guided tour to learn about the state's history and see the beautiful interiors. Next, head to the Des Moines Art Center, which features an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art, housed in a unique architectural space. For outdoor enthusiasts, visit the Greater Des Moines Botanical Garden or explore the miles of scenic trails at Grays Lake Park. Families will love the Blank Park Zoo, home to a variety of animals and interactive exhibits. Finish your day in the East Village, a trendy neighborhood filled with boutique shops, restaurants, and bars. Des Moines is a perfect blend of culture, history, and modern attractions, making it a great start to our Iowa adventure. 2. Amana Colonies, a step back in time. Next, we travel to the Amana Colonies, a group of 7 historic villages known for their unique German heritage and beautifully preserved 19th century buildings. Begin your visit at the Amana Heritage Museum, where you can learn about the history and culture of the Amana people. Stroll through the charming streets and explore the local shops, offering handmade crafts, furniture, and delicious baked goods. Don't miss a meal at one of the traditional German restaurants, where you can enjoy hearty dishes like schnitzel and sausages. For a unique experience, visit the Amana Woolen Mill, one of the oldest continuously operating woolen mills in America. The Amana Colonies offer a peaceful retreat with a rich cultural heritage, making it a fascinating stop on our journey through Iowa. 3. Iowa City, Literary Legacy. Our next destination is Iowa City, known as a UNESCO City of Literature and home to the prestigious University of Iowa. Start your exploration at the Old Capitol Museum, located in the heart of the University of Iowa campus. This historic building served as the first state capitol and is now a museum showcasing Iowa's history. Book lovers should visit the Iowa Avenue Literary Walk, featuring bronze relief panels honoring famous authors with ties to Iowa. Don't miss the chance to visit the iconic Prairie Lights Bookstore, a beloved independent bookstore offering a wide selection of books and frequent author readings. For some outdoor relaxation, head to the Devonian Fossil Gorge, where you can explore exposed fossils dating back 375 million years, or take a walk along the scenic Iowa River. Iowa City's literary heritage and vibrant academic atmosphere make it a must-visit destination for culture enthusiasts. 4. Dubuque, along the Mississippi River. For a touch of natural beauty and riverfront charm, we head to Dubuque, situated along the banks of the mighty Mississippi River. Start your visit at the National Mississippi River Museum and Aquarium, which offers fascinating exhibits about the river's history, ecology, and wildlife. Don't miss the chance to take a riverboat cruise for stunning views and a unique perspective of the area. Next, head to the Dubuque Arboretum and Botanical Gardens, where you can stroll through beautiful gardens and enjoy the serene environment. For a bit of adventure, ride the Fenelon Place Elevator, the world's shortest and steepest scenic railway, offering panoramic views of the city and river. End your day with a visit to the historic downtown area, filled with charming shops, restaurants, and beautifully preserved 19th century architecture. Dubuque's riverfront location and rich history make it a picturesque and engaging destination. 5. Cedar Rapids, Art and History. Our next stop is Cedar Rapids, a city known for its vibrant art scene and historical attractions. Begin your visit at the Cedar Rapids Museum of Art, home to an extensive collection of works by Grant Wood, the famous artist best known for his painting American Gothic. Next, visit the National Czech and Slovak Museum and Library, which celebrates the contributions of Czech and Slovak immigrants to American culture. For a taste of local history, explore the Brusamore Historic Estate, a stunning mansion set on 26 acres of beautiful gardens. Take a guided tour to learn about the lives of the families who once lived there and the history of the estate. Cedar Rapids also boasts a lively downtown area with great dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Cedar Rapids' blend of art, history, and modern attractions makes it a vibrant stop on our Iowa journey. 6. Decorah, scenic beauty and Nordic heritage. Our journey concludes in Decorah, a charming town known for its beautiful landscapes and rich Norwegian heritage. Start your visit at the Vesterheim Norwegian-American Museum, which showcases the history and culture of Norwegian immigrants in America. Explore the museum's extensive collection of artifacts, traditional crafts, and exhibits. Take a scenic drive along the Upper Iowa River or enjoy a hike in the Decorah Ice Cave State Preserve, where you can explore the unique ice cave and surrounding trails. For a more leisurely outdoor experience, visit Dunning Spring Park, featuring a beautiful waterfall and picnic areas. Decorah's annual Nordic Fest is a great time to visit, offering traditional music, dancing, food, and crafts. Decorah's blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage provides a peaceful and enriching end to our Iowa adventure. Conclusion. And there you have it, fellow travelers, our guide to Iowa excursions, exploring the Heartland. From the vibrant capital of Des Moines and the historic Amana colonies to the literary charm of Iowa City and the scenic beauty of Decorah, Iowa offers a diverse array of experiences for every type of traveler. We hope this guide has inspired you to explore the incredible destinations and adventures that Iowa has to offer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and adventure tips. Until next time, happy travels and see you on our next journey.